Let's be real. When it comes to earning money online, most platforms either feel like a scam or leave you frustrated after hours of effort for pennies. Sound familiar? Well, that's why I'm here to talk about Freecash.com, a platform that claims to be fast, simple, and actually worth your time. But here's the thing, is it really all it's cracked up to be? Or is it just another site over-promising and under-delivering? Stick around, because I'm diving into everything you need to know in this Freecash review, from how it works to how much you can realistically earn. And trust me, if you've been searching for an easy way to make money online, you'll want to hear this. So first, what exactly is Freecash.com? Well, Freecash.com is a platform where you can earn money by completing tasks, taking surveys, and even trying out apps or games. Think of it like getting paid to spend a bit of your downtime productively. Here's how it works. You sign up, browse a list of tasks or surveys, complete the ones you like, and earn points. Those points can then be cashed out for PayPal money, Bitcoin, or gift cards for top brands. No complicated systems or confusing steps. It's all pretty straightforward. All right, let's talk about what makes Freecash different from other earning platforms out there. First, the payouts are super fast. You're not stuck waiting days to cash out like on some other sites. With Freecash, whether you're withdrawing via PayPal or converting your earnings to Bitcoin, you'll usually have your money within minutes. And then there's the low cash out threshold. You only need 50 cents to make your first withdrawal. That's amazing if you're just starting and want quick rewards without waiting forever to build up a balance. Plus, the platform keeps things fun with daily rewards and leaderboards. If you're consistent and active, you can snag extra bonuses. And trust me, those leaderboard prizes can add up quickly. Now, let's get to the part everyone wants to know. How much can you actually make on Freecash? Well, it depends on how much time you put in. If you're doing it casually, you might earn $5 to $10 a day. But if you focus on higher paying offers and really commit, you can easily hit $20 or even $30 daily. And for the power users who land on the leaderboard, well, they're taking home even bigger prizes. So what makes Freecash worth checking out? Well, for starters, the fast payouts are a huge win. You're not stuck waiting days or even weeks to see your money. It's almost instant. Another big plus is the low cash out minimum. Whether you're earning a little or a lot, you can withdraw your money as soon as you hit 50 cents. That's perfect if you want quick access to your rewards. And let's not forget how easy it is to use. The site's layout is simple and user-friendly, making it easy to find tasks and start earning right away. Now, to keep it real, let's talk about a few things that might not work for everyone. Some tasks and surveys might disqualify you, which can get a bit frustrating. And depending on where you're located, the number of available offers might vary. That said, the platform is constantly updating its offers, so even if you run into a dry spell, there's usually something new around the corner. So, who's Freecash really for? Honestly, it's perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash in their spare time. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who wants to save up for something specific, it's a flexible way to earn money without a big-time commitment. And if you value fast payouts and an easy-to-use platform, Freecash is definitely worth a look. Alright, so is Freecash.com the best platform to earn money online in 2025? Well, it checks a lot of boxes. Fast payouts, low withdrawal limits, and a user-friendly setup. If you're looking for an easy way to earn money online, it's hard to go wrong with Freecash. If you're ready to get started, use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up today. It's free, quick to join, and packed with opportunities to earn. Give it a try and see how much you can make. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Freecash or if you're planning to. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Here's to earning big in 2025.